Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, I am back at my favorite place at Superior Auto Sales. You can always find good cars that they have there, sascars.com. But today I am here because I've seen a car yet that's being transported, but it's a beautiful car. And if you guys are into exotics, especially nice sports cars, really expensive ones, and if there's any wind noise, I apologize, it's a little windy right now. So I'm gonna get myself inside here. Ooh, that wind's kicking up. But there she is. 2016 Ferrari 488 Spider. Yeah, it is being transported. This is what about $275,000 US gets you, and maybe even more. Actually, no, I've seen some of them for about 365 American, 500,000 Canadian. But this is a beautiful car. This car is absolutely stunning. I know it's a little dark in here, it's a little hard to see. And there's that wind kicking up again. But man, the owner's here talking with somebody. But I kind of had to wait until a little bit later until everybody went home, because in the shop here, the mechanics are always making noise, the detail guys are talking, the PA system. It's a busy place. But man, this car is gorgeous. I mean, the brakes on this carbon ceramic carbon brakes, yeah, each rotor you're probably looking at about $6,000 a piece, if not more. So I would never want to do the brakes on this car. I mean, they're just massive. I mean, they're huge. You know, all you sports cars, the exotics out there, you know exactly how much those brakes cost, because they are not cheap. I'm sure the rear ones are, yeah, if you had to pay for all four of these, yeah, you better have some money. But I like how they have this glass cover right here. Oh, there they go making noises. Just like always. But man, rear defrost, that I don't understand. The best part of my job right here. Man, look at that. Yeah, 488 Spider. Carbon fiber paddle shifters. Carbon fiber steering wheel. All sorts of controls on this car. No, I'm not going to start it because this car does not belong to me. I'm sure you guys would love to hear this run. So would I, and I'd love to put the top down. But unfortunately, it does not belong to me. It is only here for transport. But for being the size car it is, it actually is really comfortable. Yeah, it's a comfortable car. Man. Yeah, there you go. That's what she is. 2016 Ferrari 488 Spider. Yeah, little things here and there. But yeah, this is glove box with everything in it. Jeez, nice. Even the, I mean, it just feels nice and soft. Yeah, and just nice that this whole top comes down too. I'm sure this car is a blast to drive when the top is down. But I'm gonna get out of this thing. It's a little hard to get out of. And then for the, I guess you want to call it a trunk, a frunk, whatever you want to call it. All carbon fiber. I mean, I'm sure more of this comes up somehow for maintenance. But man, look at that. And it just landed on my head. Yeah, 660 horses. That's what this car is. From what I looked up, 3.9 liter V8. Which I'm sure it sounds absolutely amazing when it's running. I mean, all this being carbon fiber. And it is extremely lightweight too. It doesn't weigh anything. And I'm sure this car draws a lot of attention when it's being driven. Third brake light down there. Wow. These look like they're a little smoked, but maybe that's just the way they come. Big air intakes. I don't know if these move. No, they don't. Look like they did. I do not want to touch the wall. But man, and I mean, it even smells nice in here. This nice high-end leather. These seats are very, very comfortable. Very. Man. Yeah, this is the kind of car you can get yourself in trouble with real quick. But who cares? If you got this kind of money, you can afford to pay for the ticket. And I'm sure they'd know who you are. Yeah, I mean, it's nice stitching on it. I mean, very nice leather. Nice and soft. Man. Well, it's got power seats in it too, which are kind of cool. The steel plates are real nice too. Whoever owns this car definitely keeps it well up because there's no nick marks or anything. Yeah, then we have the front trunk. Open this up. And there you go. That's what you get for a trunk. There's your little air cabin filter. What these are, probably some kind of tool bags or something, I don't know. Not about to go through them. Yeah, it's actually pretty deep. I mean, you can see the length of my arm. It goes all the way up to like my elbow, so it's pretty deep in there. I mean, you could get a decent amount of groceries in there if you wanted. You know, 2 decent sized suitcases. That's about all you're really gonna get. But yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful car. And I just love how long these headlights are. And I'm sure this car probably doesn't weigh, I mean, this hood doesn't feel like it weighs anything. Yep. And the vents were here for not sure what. But yeah, this car is cool. Been driven a little bit here and there, a couple of dead bugs. Yeah, but driving here in the States, and especially in New York, I'd never put a front license plate on it. I don't care how many tickets I got. There's no way. I mean, the badge on this is pretty big. It's about half the size of my hand. I just can't get over the brakes. Man. Carbon ceramic. And these tires feel, I mean, there's... But it is a pretty, it's like a royal blue. Very nice color. If it was red, you'd really draw a lot of attention. But yeah, the rear window defrost, I don't really understand. I don't see anybody trying to drive this thing in any kind of cold weather. But I guess it just comes with it. But I do know when the top comes down, this lifts up. These get tucked away down in there, and this comes back down and just opens it all up. I mean, a big air intakes on them too. I mean, they're quite large. Yeah, do another walk around in this car. Yeah, that wind kicking up again. Hopefully the camera's not picking it up. I'm sorry if it's a little dark in here. I know it's a little hard to see it. Maybe it'll show up better. Maybe I can get a thumbnail out of that one. The windshield is actually pretty big. I mean, going all the way down like that. Definitely big. It's a good sized car. Not little at all by any means. Definitely not. And it's wide. I mean, this car is very, very wide. I mean, you can get a feel for that. Yep, here comes that wind again. Alright guys, I'm going to cut this one here. Hope you like this video as much as I do enjoy recording them for you guys. But like, share, subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.